The next principle is pattern. Probably the most obvious principle, a pattern is repeating multiple design elements to create a consistent theme in your design, which can in turn enhance the overall experience of your viewer. You just want to make sure that the pattern is working for your design and not taking over your design, because with an overuse of pattern, your design can feel very clunky or overburdened and create the opposite effect for your viewer and make it hard to figure out what you're trying to convey. This would be the difference between a knitted quilt and a poster design. The pattern on the quilt is the design itself, and the poster design would just use the pattern to enhance the overall design. So let's look at some examples. In this poster design, we have a pattern of these different barbecue or grill illustrations that are happening. So we have a wing here, we have steak, we have corn, we have vegetables, and we have different parts of them that are making up this patterned design for this poster design. We also have this nice hatching or this etching throughout different parts of the design, which is a nice texture that then creates this sense of unity when you are seeing it across both the type and the illustrations. Here is another fantastic template in Kittl where we are using different shapes as patterns to make up part of this text. Now, this is a very intense version of utilizing pattern, but we have these shapes that are making up the corners of the letters here, and we also have a repetition in the color. So we have blue, pink, and white, blue, pink, and white, blue, pink, white, blue, pink, and white. And we have great contrast. We have a very good sense of balance among other principles in this design. Now let's actually open up this design here in Kittl. And if we were to make the text all one color, say for example, maybe we want all of the text to be blue. So I can grab all of the different parts. And without going any further, you can still understand that it says 2023, New Year, New Hope, but it doesn't give the same effect as using a pattern like this difference in both shape and color. Now, if you want to see other tutorials using Kittl, I have these videos here on my right that I know you're going to enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any upcoming videos and features and things like that. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.